Welcome back, Solid Rock Entertainment family. Welcome back to another series of the Solid Foundation. We have a special vibes today for you. Special vibes. You see, when you have a stomachache, more than likely you're going to have to take a bit of Pepto-Bismol. But you understand, when you need some music intake, you're going to have to draw for some busy signal. In comes...
Girl, take it easy.
Brand new busy signal, y'all.
Oh Lord of mercy. Went to a dance last Saturday night.
Oh gosh.
I was feeling tipsy and the mood was right. Sight a little daughter and a step in at the corner.
We're gonna stop right there. So as you can hear, this is originally the Gregor Isaacs Cool Down the Pace classic vintage tune from the classic album Night Nurse. This is Busy Signal's rendition, and this tune was released on April 14th of this year. Busy Signal is just giving it his vibes and his energy. So we're going to tap back into Busy's vibes of the Cool Down the Pace. So far, I'm loving the vibes. You understand? Blue Light Edition. Right? Them tune here, you need blue light because it's only right. And then we're going to drink some of the wine called Reunite. See? Yeah. So Busy Signal with his tune that was released on April 14th of this year. His rendition of the Cool Rulers, Cool Down the Pace. Here's some Busy Signal in the place.
Girl, take it easy. Oh Lord of mercy. Went to a dance last Saturday night. I was feeling tipsy and the mood was right. Sight a little daughter and a step in at the corner. Cause I feel like dancing all night. So I said, cool down the pace for me, little woman. You're going too fast for me. I said, cool down the pace for me, little woman. That's not how it should be. I told her to try. I don't know why. No use trying, cause she can. And so she do it how she want. Lord. So I said, cool down the pace for me, little woman. You're rocking it too fast for me. I said, cool down the pace for me, little woman. That's not how it should be. Rocking too fast for me. That's what she do it.
What's the vibe so far, ladies and gentlemen? How are you feeling this one? How are you feeling this one? Man, nice vibes, man, I tell you, man. Bring back some vibes.
Said she would try.
I don't know why,
but she just don't know why.
Baseline to move the waistline.
She keep on trying, but she can't. And then she do it how she want.
Boy, may I tell you, it's a Busy Signal version not too far sound like the original, you know. That's what may I tell you, say, there's only one Busy Signal. Like I said in the beginning, when you have a stomachache, you have to take some Pepto-Bismol. But if you want some musical intake, you have to link up some Busy Signal. You understand? In comes again, man. Continuing on the cool vibes.
Cool down the pace for me, little woman. Rocking it too fast for me. I said cool down the pace for me, little woman. That's not how it's supposed to be. Cool down the pace. Hard. I said cool down the pace. Keep on trying but she can't. And then she do it how she want. I'm a tongue for me, little woman. I'm a tongue for me, little woman. I saw she rocking it all night. Cool on the pace. I said cool down.
My goodness. My goodness. Well, it's a A plus for me. You know, not anybody can cover legendary artists such as Gregor Isaacs and Dennis Brown and Bob Marley. Not anybody can touch those sounds and it come out right. But me I tell you, say, busy deal with it on a level where you cannot say it's a plight. Right? So this was a great insight of Busy Signal's version, right? On the Pull Up My Selector label. Released again April 14th of this year. And I'm telling you, man, good vibes are flow. Told her to try. I don't know why. Yes, Busy Signal, but yes. Yeah, we're going to keep the ball rolling. Going to keep the ball rolling to prevent you from scrolling. Like, positively comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell to put you under a musical spell. And we're going to jump into some more tune. I'm feeling the vibes for some big youth. So we're going to recruit some cultural vibes from the big youth. See? All right. Cool down the pace. Cool down the pace.